Hello, I'm JT Bishop with Farmers and Merchants Bank, and we're banking on business with Twice as Nice in Waynesboro. Dixie, what is Twice as Nice?
Well, we refer to ourselves as Twice as Nice, a high-end consignment boutique. And we cater to the ladies' fashions who would like a better quality, good label product.
What sort of items can you find at Twice as Nice?
We offer ladies' clothing in casual, career, and formal wear. A lot of them are new with tags. We also have purses, jewelry, accessories, and furniture and housewares.
Okay, and what sort of items would people come in to sell?
They sell a lot of name brand clothing, Chico's, Raphael, even a Coach bag or two.
How do you interact with your customers?
Well, we offer a lot of services. We try to give every customer who comes in here personal service by finding things that may not be in the store at the time, but we keep an eye out for them and let them know when they're here. We also offer themes every month that may involve a sale. This month just happens to be our Lucky Black Dress sale. And so, next month we'll do something totally different.
Okay.